Please, my name is Shompo Adote. You know me as a comedian. This TV is good, so subscribe and share for your people. Dave Hammer TV on YouTube. And share. Sharing is important. Share this video.
Right, welcome to Dave Hammer TV. This is where all the action is. Yeah, that will be the say I'm follow you and I'm gonna share live on your action station. Yes. And the Osakrum president, the American president himself. Aye. Dave Hammer TV, oh boy, 100 anamba.
Obia boy, 100.
Kumerican. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
Your friend say Regina so munina statistics should be. Akwawe your friend say Zion Felix, munina shishe Kumerican. Afedi eba ne sen. Mudi enkadi nimni samudi enkran na mote. Already mo declare Kumasi no place to stay.
Memo Akwaba officially na yema Binia Flatelu Akwaba ba Dave Hammer TV so.
Yeah, me there, Dave. Me that say, I never hit too much. Anything I'm starting is on. It's 8 for more fun to me because I need my heat, my be like playing engine, no Allah. My heat too rough because in seminal ya blue margin so. It's Yasadaka say, "Come Dave Hammer TV, me church, Munina, Moamo, LA, Moamo America, Moamo Dubai, Moamo Japan, Moamo UK." Yasadaka say, "Come Moamo France, Germany, baby, I'm Cheo, baby, Moamo Ghana, Kachima." Western region, Eastern region, baby, Asida Kasi and Komamunina, Church Munina.
This is Flatelu. Jai did now 1,000 hit maker. So far, and you may buy. How is he doing on the market?
Oh, he's doing great. Ghana had the M. So Momo Ghana, no more social media near the Adindi. To say, you may copper na Asida Kasi and Koma Otum Fuejaname, Totrobun Sunyame. The patronate me at Tunum Kakra, Eddie Yini Dinkunkun, Nenimoniam Kakra.
Why not?
I have made you too small in my eyes. Oh Lord, forgive me that you were unable to help me, but now, oh Lord, I see my wrong, hear my heart and myself. Show yourself too strong, oh Lord. Be magnified, oh Lord. You are the highly exalted, and with my nose and my oh Lord, be magnified.
Okay, what were we? Na, and you mean say near Tono?
They say.
Manti and you mean say near Tono?
Yes, I near Tono. Say me say first no. No mama Yankupon.
Why is it there? You can explain it, but send you to new media. Yankupon crying you.
There be unsa me pentem because of for time near at the identity. And
there be one more time, and you will Vicky's. African ABD. To one more time.
So, do you want me to repeat
that song you sang was not in the. You didn't sing it well.
So do you want me to sing it again?
The words, you were fumbling with the words.
Do you want me to sing it again?
When we tell you to go to church, now near Kuntokwa.
Oh, me, I used to go to church.
Ah,
and you may woman you so me TV so de bia me so TV and me shia any other and them two and my wrong.
Now who so share utuni?
It means Anthony Fufro.
There be Anthony Fufro, them that's why.
Martin, no problem.
Hey, Flatelu. Anyway, Bibia Boko.
I rather do Dave, you think come one more din, the near the Nasima or two for Janyame, me who your pa, and David Patron soon to say. I
don't know your pa, me 9 a.m. Yaka Cranty, on says, see, Mammy Timmy Crunchy shoe. Ah, oh, Dave, won't be told in Jesus' name, men you're worried. Or two for Janyame, or be show so. Now, Dave, one was some mercy will come and say. You, me who ye, this owner catch me, send me the yam, share them the beard.
Now, they won't take Kumirican, internet, Accra, and the regular store, Munina, T-shirt, TB, regular store, Munda Masipa, regular stone, and Aquawi, Zion Felix, and they Muamakotan cry, celebrities Amakotan cry, Nanama Meg Brown, one Munina, Chame Kwame Munia, Munda Masi, because in Kenya Mia. enka sa Kumirikan we nka maso Nyankopon na yo Dave uka se me no start interviews ena de bia soli Kumasi na manfo di matem ena wo de music thing na done tribalism ena den ena ya blow kra no Kumasi ena de yesemo. That means I am here for a purpose. Ghana na otumfo agenya me de me free amon ne buy na nya bibia o eye sa de we ntia ene mayam Kumasman obi a t-shirt ni bi na hyem say ba bia obefa bia Kumirikan
United States of the
Kumirikan aya mo fast da ma me wate Ghanaians de mehu ni say omo appreciate
me wan o ka say una o share na regime nyina shishi bi ne zan mo shibia eno me no nse da nya adwe because on bi kwa no mo show mo de dada wo
eyo manim na egu ase ne farienti no mo yesa because first of all mo say Kumasi nye place a obetimi atena abobla
nye sa na tie
yes na tie Dave na celebrities ni omo wa nyina mo nyina nkotena akra
opportunities there obi ani ba bia o feel say bia o call be opportunity
there be I be like majority of celebrities no mo Kumasi ni nyina mo nyina they have moved to Accra and it is very bad. And then I come one same day for the past 3 months in the 4 months. My boy, no 2 for me. And who say I am doing the right job. And what shall one munyam? Me my be like Moses, my be like Samson. I mean a magic Kumasma and Nesu. Hey, say for music industry. Say for
what to say nyawo na de buy. American de nyawo na de buy.
What to no say doing the interview no can same be. Or say Fratello, me who good work, me who nyuma pa woye, but Kumirikan ne de nyo na de buy. O ka sa na
be gia tum sa.
Da bitie no obi a wo so wo hu me nyuma pa me ye. Wo hu me nyuma pa me ye, but Kumirikan ne nyam nam de buy. That means wo bo an hofo because me nyuma pa me ye ever since I buy Kumasi. Ade am social media dey dance de vama interviews dey dance Kwaku Manu aggressive interview e dey dance. I was the only rapper met me a certain record I will Kwaku Manu interviews 3 times. E bin see that. One ma call and crime for ya call but obi antimi call 3 times. Meaning the only rapper Kumasi rapper say Crown President a certain record I will aggressive interview. Ni nyina so ye Kumasiano ne Kumirikan nsem ya. Dave they need to show some respect because right now no mama Kumirikan ba Kumasi am obi age atum. Ghanaians ya appreciate it. Ask me why. Sana Kwame Nkrumah ba yi gidi Kwame Nkrumah ba ji independent and a free farm ne ade kosi se tuo ekọ gada e no mu yi ni na ase atwede okọ ayi abagini aba okọ ba ne yi ni na ase atwede e ma Kwame Nkrumah de areho ewu to gini sana mo pesa bo de ya Kumasman be ka show tufo agenya me se Kwame Nkrumah no onyi nyame ndi ono no flow bi kankam nyame ono na ogini nti na mu yi ni na ase atwede ne e fine no but me no I'm with God Almighty. And by God Almighty, nobody can change my destiny. What did I make? Yeah,
I didn't know need 1,000. I want to talk about the song.
Oh, feel free, sir. Already, no, and you know the kind hit here. Me share interview. Be I see a flow be Comfort Top K. Was me hit Kebeche. Comfort Top K. Me do who ya pa mankana me boa. Before obegun sakura no akonfo a mu okromu ane akonfo ewo wiase nyina before mu begun sa no mu ka bi like toturobonsu nyame ase twede ampon kwame jensa ana twede ampon kwame nyankopon ensa mu ma toturobonsu nyame no ensa ansa na mu begun sa magu
mu na ensa
so ayo mu gun sa mu ka se twede ampon kwame ensa no mu de agu fom that means mu de anidie ma otumfo aganyame ansa no mbegun sa na o magu na me se me de me ho ato no so a wo se me nwum enhiti da ti asem bia wo ka
o chese obia obetimi abe hit bia no e so ye sacrifice na o tikani bia ni wo ho a ye sacrifice da so ti so
me ti so wo ka
ti no wo beche
yen hwe bibi like Joseph ayi padi o kwaji nkrofo free ayi Israel grave from say Noah ananyo Noah oh they refino okoji omu free Moses sa na Moses ko Israel omu ne no omu free ayi omu chante ene akonfo beble se omu ne nimbedia o ka kire omu se I have been sent by the Most High. Ti asema Moses kan yo o se otumfo aganyame na asoma no etu onu won gibi bi enti eye nyame ho odin na ye de ekuta no sa na my Top K me eye otumfo aganyame na ho odin na ekuta me o kan sem bi se ensem America no esu chen me and they so who say some American and free me. If you too for Janyame, because me before I may be Bagana Bay Sadi way. No more bonfire chile a radis papa chile me idea me Kogana menye. And no mammy direction. Top K won't flew plane that. What flew play could I be Kumasi to Accra? Me, my
now, okay, yeah, better know who's flew play.
Oh, say Top K on Quabruch leader.
No, better one who's all Quabruch. Not so be by my Top Quabruch Lanky doom. Second, only I'm what you didn't call baby.
Oh, I'm what you be.
Who play now for no for the chance?
Top K. Sanka
who play off for no dear
because me journal Sanka one or two for Janyam in any munyam. What flew plane from Germany to America, from UK to Ghana, from one way to Dubai. I can't candy a wokano say one Janyam need the obeying so obeche. Hey, Top K. Now one a mouda sorry. So we don't know Yania and what in the free infant. One a 2 nianopa. By God grace. Nyame ne wusra ene ma wani ti anopa enye wutumi ne wa hoodin eti say me ka say nyame ebe ma yeti a men challenge nyame de we is like oh challenge otumfu agya nyame and it's a curse we yes I no me man so we challenge otumfu agya nyame totoro bonsu nyame a ohwe ye so ohwe akotafo so oma abo atete aduane kura edi ensuo mu pata nyina da no Uber challenge no say me ji nyame di na me pese me fa ba bia de a me hit bate beche ma hit awie ada won hwe YouTube unko wan jai de na only 1000 na only 1000 na only 1000 it's a hit music obi ebo he e che nyame pa akra me ko Garden City TV ye invite me se me yi ma no me ma me express me ho e kwan a me fa so ni nyansa bia me nya ya metimi du chiro jai de na only 1000 ne tu hu nyame sanchina ne I'll be say, Fratello, Minia Kitua no, but the make culture when they say, so one for baby, over hitting so a bitch. You might hit you. Why you late? Me, I have already hit. I got a hit music. Baby, I cry. Hey, Uko Ocean TV, I ebo, Uko one way, 4-star TV, I ebo, Uko way, TV, I Madame Fukradia, TV Africa, I'm over 1,000. No problem, they say. Mr. Be challenge you. Sami man hitia na chese nyame ni wo
challenge Top K
say Top K so wo se me fa ba bia ansa na ma hitia me so be say se man hiti this year na chese o tufu agya nyame oni wo ka me sum nyame biem
wo there Top K
me do Top K say all there nyankopon no se
on there
nyankopon no there no there be tie me say me ka bibi say apart from otumfu agya nyame no me fa ba bia because Ghanaian musicians
you need to do some sacrifice everybody or yes can bia no so yes sacrifice obi o pese o ye onya fame bia no so yes sacrifice
na me sacrifice na me no nim me anajo amanfo adan na me te na me bompaye me I pray 4 times a day na me come secret because me come secret o mbenyame no maso support me me come secret Ghana for no Ghana for e Ghana Africans munim the way see esum nyame Mama nyame aye ketua bi enu tram to sa anwum no I have made you too small in my eyes oh Lord forgive me be kan twa mama te ase mo mama nyankopon aye ketekete wo Ghana ase mo sole a mo te asole dom na nyame o nyame mo wi a na ma wura malam ho mo wi a na ma wura na makwakoye mo hu twitwitwi mama nyame aye ketua nyame wo so hu nyame ne kase ya unsuro bia eno na ama me dia win Ghanaian musicians no Kumasi musicians so wuntimi me no sa de we because me hu otumfo agye nyame how big he is and am de ye me niema etu woni hwan Top K resign retract asam na wo kan no.
Okay, thank you very much. I think Top K wants him crying then. Well, this is the Vama TV and I'm down here with the man Fratello. I did now 1,000 hit maker. So far video no by a man for say come on.
Dave, I don't know if people tell me sir, it's in any
Juma, but said ten was kasa so what hit intra anti. Memo increasing am.
I'm patch mom increasing mama. And patch some na obusa me.
I just say video no buy no a man for person which say how do people see the video? Say no go try be o menshia, go try be so cultural center go na playing be go try. How do you see?
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank One Ghana Omaya Adie Omaya no me hu bi da. Omo ye me interview na interview no e koso nyina na omo bo 1,000 no na omo nti because omo no mu say enyum ne already hit it omo boy ya to say ye we interview no nti aseda kese nkoma one Ghana na na agye ene me boss samu nyina salute you na aseda kese nso nkoma Miss Ben Miss boss blawai feel free aseda kese nso nkoma Miss Ben so ehye enyum no na aseda kese nkoma Ocean TV asida kese nso enkoma me boss Mr Rush Kwame Naborton DKB Studios nana nyankopon enhira mu nyina moya ade pa because matimi ayama ene mabeye president ampa atimi a drop enwuma ebinsida me I make me enwuma me ye good music me ye baby like in facing for some panty pontonto and me may be like oh yeah kisma baby oh yeah kisma it doesn't make sense me too more obia betimi atobi jaido de no now need 1,000 and ade ba ko me pese me ma sa celebrities na omote kumasi na omu nyina adwane akotena nkran ni say me ne ma man kran yo me record label e wa Accra me Accra o me ko de bia but me nkotena ho they said your my no obi ama ne nso Accra we man nso anu akotena Accra no me tena kumasi ya meki eye kumasi ya na matena enematimi release big time music top music been see that jai de no only 1,000 homie jai de no only 1,000 missing kwancha de fe ya disika na en kwancha de fe hey mahu brodo bi
okay you try one by to us. So this is Dave Hammer TV with the man Flatello live and in charge. Yeah, basisia.
Yeah man, this a boy Flatello, they must spawn them capture and the dance all me tell them say Flatello, come sing for them baby. Dave Hammer TV, ubia what you say, Sacred President 100, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, welcome back from that break. Me know say Flatello has a waje ne vegetable rice. Nambia kan.
Vicky, me nambia kan.
Unwinam.
Gidi oboan what you say? Unwinam me say me jai. Jai na because of abonsamfo bi ne niggas bi almost support me e wo kromo aninti.
What jai nam we? Apart from Vicky's restaurant and now obenya vegetable rice say edi am timi call restaurant beble omo say omo ntimi prepare vegetable food enya dey mame but I say anytime me bia Spring Road one body and pesie with vegetables near ade what I say it big ups to my mom Vicky now I'm saying it's going down Vicky's restaurant ma Vicky wow and na dia did now 1,000 enyum na me person ke kan ho asema o enyum ba ya say among for so the Ogia bro sacrum.
Yeah. Most na criticize it.
America for. What's the most there the criticize it? Criticize it.
Bibi to say a cheap alago.
Ada cheese say there's all no ya one ada in biom.
Oh, sir. And send be by ma ne be live video no can be say obeso ye dey o promote me. Na me monyumpa na me bonyumpa obede obe promote me na awurade ya adom na mabonyumpa ama obia gi atum obia fili obia kan wasem TV stations frame me ani ade anyum ya hit Ghana baby o problem ni sen me ho na obechiro bibi ato ni Instagram page ni Facebook page say o Sacred President Zolokin Zolokin is successful man beautiful as a woman in the crowd waterful. We a successful man pa oba my boys in feel about me free broken stone muna did the chino more mudo any other year we a good man but on your musician on na your friend is saying a cheap alago catch that man for so no mom rather and a president one confusion or deba na ya me can be say who a cheap alago who a DM pa na wo Ghana wo ye ma kumasman who say enkwasi asem ene nkwasi akeka
Debbie to boasi a cheap alago wa promote a man for pa
we dey promote
o ka say wonye hwe ya me no nya adwen
wonye bibia wa say eye ensem
post a man for nyom or followers and it's also a way of pushing some brands so let's not just say onye hwe
Palago be Palago nyina eye ne kumirican sam na no keka no na man be Palago obe yusu we de bibioja na Stone Boy masum no mo de ayenwum na Shatawale masum no mo de ayen eno na ma wo be popular but wo nya obia wo Kumasi o wo Palago ye ka wo nya obia wo kwa America de ekura na wo ye no America yeso wo no maame nete ena wo sole na ye di dwagu fie na wudi ama na nse kura wo maame apam wo fie
eno de yes you can't say no correct
meaning boys bi wo New York so no what New York
ni pa keka ni pa won
New York no te ena maame ne pam no ni ga bi akwa akotena
eno ye ni personal life eno ye ni personal issue eno ye ni personal issue eno ye ni personal issue
just listen
abrabo a obo US eni kwan of us born brade let's leave that out we are talking about our show business show biz and only one sem ye kan
na only say ye ka show business na ono no be ka kire me say I am no more a president biem na Zolokin ye be to abama na be president
so wa kire na adwin
say nti de me ye nyina wo Palago hunhunu ade a me ye na Kumasi hunhunu ye eni ma me ba ye ama ye me de masi efie da bi top case ya ma me ke ka sansem no say me ntwa ntoro biem because top case okasai na mi ababi free mu se unza na se ko tena ma mi bi fie ma mi ko ye ku ase efie ne ya media me pa me chaw efie na nya media o me srem mi tu mi hia mo apa edi top k eno de me no ya adwene top k mate wo se ama me pagya me ho wo se ma me ho so na obi e wo mo abi a wo de ayedai wo de abo me atiefo me srem efie na me ko tena mu na nya media ya blafi correction fie blafi collection ni fie
o de yes sir Kumerica amafo be huru mu
Dave me medical ka chem say
Kumerica t-shirt o ka brefi correction
dabiti say na me ka say me mi so no manu antentem o ti ase me mako Oxford University mako Kumasi High School me wie JSS e wo Konfanoche
Oma Kumasi High School ni no ti ono wasere sa
oh boss me Kumasi High School ni na me visual art
Ralph big house to you my brother Ralph
I went to I was in visual art as your Toronto desert as your utbi free one wa konum tampi wo ngura mu wo mle bi kura eyi be che ye mbe che ye ko bu ye wo palage uti ase eti enye toli na me ye won eti
no creon
oh aba kamejimi mi donyame o hata soro mi ko Kumasi ai
ba wan wie
men wie me be ko SS3 na me ko Europe eti e man say all my life na Europe na matena akoko school wo UK akoko school America enti untimi fa ho ntoto me wo Palago ko America kura unko school da eye boys bi na udidi o machi e na follow ni adade no akodo wura ko fifie na ya ma $100
na de school nko na ukọ abroche na okwa chese obi ya na
da bi unse ukọ abroche foforo a so wunim nyansa da bi me yesa me kaseti abroche fo ukọ abroche fo a na wunim ade a eso to me co school be like electronic school ukọ school be like mason no akọ school no wanya certificate now they are paid you achi Palago ukọ e wanya bi eye follow boy biti ayi oti ATM
mo bi edi
no de bia obeji change se Google com nyina ye mokwa aboa uti ablo chire bom mokwa wo de ho betoto me boys na minim crow from boys eni zongo boys uko zongo wa mini o mini de bia omo kan ho asem na obaga na ombe mafia obaga na ombe mafia na me no omo kan omo doggy na wo ye me home boy eni ade ene me back omo e say me so boys no de me ka chire omo bia omo ye o ense bia me ka chire omo bia ya chi Palago me twa wasu afri Kumasi open market on the wall unsi Kumasi biem samenya wo hwe first we started with Akuapem Polo be ka say me ko tete say straw ne ade a o say me din ne ade wo be back no man fa anya asem because me say
man fa anya asem aboa wo de asem
me de asem and then correct
kan correct
true what you say ena me no mienu devama e frɛ wo frɛ me ena owura Kofi nsu ba mu bi ena mo kan say ye nyina ye Kumerican etienu kwan say ye beef yan ho ena me no wa ye peace ena wo sa ba be kama asem ma drop video wuni 1000 kro esen ka wo ye promo enkrofo bi na wo ye omu promo yehu eni ade na wo ye omu promo
wa ka chen so onye promo ma na wa anye
ya send no WhatsApp
o ka kire no
me kan kire no
so wo di ade send obi na kan kire na ono de na obede hu se o pese o promote you
Palago unim ni problem o wa ho maso enu nti na o ble no won ade a don tell odi ye no
na de wa ka kire so obre
me se unim ade
na che se Palago obre
hu ade a yidi ye no
don utrim na o de keka won sem you see
Palago bre wa America or the bridge I say upa move through beer what now Ohio said ne him fan a cheap palago da bridge I said out da e won New York was ya
me ni natem Debbie tell you and ni natem obetima make you point in a professional way but me ni natem
don't tell ya obe meda a cheap palago wa ma out to be embe 1 month na won si abontene wo be catch them wo your friend say palago be catch them say hey padi bi o Dubai or tell me or see my yes say or see my yes flatelo tell ni mame won so kan e man few because me say unim nyansa all the time bia jealousy jealousy na mo akoka America untimi mpo emafie no uko America how many years ni me call Holland me first trip I me call Holland me the 6 months and me better any Ghana and I'm sakwa what now America getting to 5 years ni untimi mafie enya wo ya kwa control mo wo ya kwa control and na uko yen so Ghana Kumasi asesa entisa first na wo Kumasi ana boys na gige so palago wo time etwam kwasia kobusa don't tell adia I don't know don't tell you a this work can some I don't want to be any day and reply no now we join the but I meant for us mama so me I am far gone because yajima to me say me Osei president and you want some obeka say me youth president me youth one we youth me too and now we concert park
now I cheap palago then go na there be say like you have a way of dissing him sir I mean tiasi I don't know how sir
Dave me wan come here me come me so one
you know there will be back on internet for who bia obi just what this one this obi can want him
me there wa obeba ma kwa mu bia obe cross line bia obo I will deal with you so we are wine wine now be cross line nko de obo am ntwe ham because me ma ble
it's okay
na me kasa me ma ble yen twa adumtofo e wo Kumasi adumtofo titirifo e wo Kumasi nyomu nyina bia kwa kwotena akra omu nyina tra akra me
PT akra YPT akra
YP so onya jumtuni titiriw YP
sem na okay
na bi YP de na koye
YP nya jumtuni titiriw
YP nyum ben wa ya hete
YP ni kwa me yuji aye nyom oni sa akode aye nyom
hete
na hete
obua he ye wonyum aye hete te se open gate kwa me yuji num na abon hit music and you be like take a picture selfie take a picture
almost say me a guy want it
I hate me need the only rapper ma betina Kumasi amaye dede Kumasi amaye nyoma na hate jai dede na only 1000 na YP mumfa need e ma me wate no ma bre me di kan ye nwum be friend condom amfa ba bia me bon hu dede ye bibia amfa because me jimi on this is the time me time aso na me di mbla munja me ma me di mbla na munya so pon na mo so pon me ma bre ho na ko internet aka Kumasi minder ho na ko tena interview the government interview and also Kwakuma interview a big up Kumasi minder only me all the time be Kumasi am niggas be kura dwame sako de money hwan mu shatawa mu nyina o mu dwame because almost me yard enyum na adane tribalism bi ni ade what is because of ade am na urade ya adom na ne kumurika be kumurika mu say twam ho aba be so pon me omo your mon squad Zion Felix Reggie Raston Ochiame Kwame Flo Kingston YP Kaboom ena sakwawi akwa jimifo odidi
did obi atem na me when so dey no
odidi Stone Boy achi Kevin Boy omo your mon squad Matty Dave so mo be fight against me ba me 1 man 1000 mo ni na mo obi bi e bom ho ban mo de mo agija but me ni bibi e bom ho ban me say apart from Jah the Most High to Trobonsunya me ni obia etiese mo suro because mumu kwa muma nyame yeketwa nobody mu ko jamalan bi malam
only proof to that only proof to that
they say ade omo ya na Africa
so and African perception and not just say
ni bia de ne ho aja enu tro bi o timi be hit
and say na top cake kan odika
ai ba me de me fa me hunja because onso omo ba obetimi abe hit kiki no abe hit and channel the DM free system dem mo hwe time am start here from 2015 ye ni rapper bia wa ba Kumasi obeye Kumasi amani dia kwa chire da I am the only rapper must
okay eat your food thank you very much eat your food
me no kasa se sia bia chira me the flight me kwa Accra ye invite me o GTV se me yi me ho ano e ba ne se na me nya sa philosophy no se Kumasi ba be ye big say because social media yampa we dey mun go through me interviews, Dave Hammer interviews, Kwakumanu interviews, One Ghana interviews, GH Page interviews. Meaning the only guy, the only rapper me buy Kumasi and the Kumasi abedani Kumerican. It's mun for any day mami wate. My idea.
Thank you very much. Flatello, fastest rising dancehall, hip life, Afro pop artist. You say Chrome president. Two didn't we?
Almost say mommy no. Almost 1,000. Ukotena radio station Hello FM crowd and almost try nebo. Let's try a day you for a year, One Ghana for a year. One Ghana for before interview no. Music video 3 times. And send an interview no ebe kosukure course. And we remember John class.
Some see the degree in Casa. Mebo why? I was Flatello Motin casual live on Dave Hammer TV. It's been a wonderful time having him here at Vicky's Foods. A war a genasi na Abranti and Wahiti. So didn't you me by a man for support too much. He is the Kumerican president in the amount for Jintu. Or shipping the Kumerican t-shirt, United States of American. Kumerican t-shirt. Thank you so much for your time. And then I'll catch your fans before we say bye-bye to you on today's show.
The catch my fans and say, Otum Ferdinand, I'm on show BBR. Now, Omaya Debia Mamania Japan. Unsa, because One Ghana no. Omuya and BBR interview na live interview. Facebook baby. It's now man for share. Me need the only second celebrity amaye live video Facebook enipa 15k live video 15k you trace buachi live video no eduru 25k na me second rapper second celebrity amaye me so ma setting record it me fans nyina nyankopon hira mo ya ade mo comments omo se me kasa na me tietiem me kasa na me didi atem me to me
ko na me se betem buza ade na kasa tietiem
Dave unse me obi a me humble person me oba reality me humble oba me life kasa like me personal life me ntisa word fofo but enema bi wo a ehye me so a me nya obi a me de asem ye den ehye me tinim de we am de make catch na free me tim because me memory no ensem egum no dorso enti me pese me de obi de be kan me a free spiritually minded person. I don't think negativity. I only think positive. And any idea I did me come in. It is obi my dear Neshimi and I may react. And I make a say we can say be a mini adjunct and I'm about them. But me before and a sudden year day. About my personal life. Me a humble person. It will be a 4 days, 3 days. So why people munina and club Vienna City near the other. Me be a Michefie. What I say because me a president.
I didn't know now can mempenu. I had no who's a YP woman in Vienna and Nam club.
Ni ehunu Facebook and Instagram page. Obo na Frokin Stone makojina. Frokin Stone and say wakojina kuma. Bacho. Boys be beble. Kumerican. Frokin Stone well down papa. I am for any day mama. Da who game with him. After now be Kumerican. What will game with him for the past young fan say 25 good years ni want me and Kumerican I fear me my yama Kumerican and I will be Kumerican we will be a so framing tama uko kumasi one ujimi number 3 YP or no frame Flatello blabe show off a video na be in because what bread mun fa ni die ma de ni die se no sa na Kwame Nkrumah mu ye ya Kwame Nkrumah oji independence e ma yen ye ho to ye pam ablofu yi mo ko mu krom e na young Ghanaians e say twan ho e say yi ni na se atwede ba me muntimi me because me no I'm by God Almighty and nobody can touch my soul even spiritually physically nobody be catch them na Matthias here me I'm here for a real reason in case you don't know.
Okay yeah, that's it. Thank you for your time on Dave Hammer TV, and we wish you all the best. But I did it now in 1,000 at Wasu. Did you do it? Why?
For your passion, for your promo, for your activities, and for your own-grain, intelligent, blooded person. May God bless you.
Amen. God bless you too. Our fans are more yourself for the United Amasi. Share our videos and subscribe to our channel. This is Dave Hammer TV. Or Dumtumia. This has been the man, the extraordinary presenter, Dave Hammer, and
Flatello, Cyclone President, Communican President, Obiabwa, 100. None lose, all I got is opportunities. I'm trying to make 15 out of 16 cents. Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, now say Inim and number.
I think Palago Munya.
What did you? Your friend Dave Hammer, don't do your best. Yakramina, peace.
Thank you.